Tend County ma Kisumo koma gi jo Uganda mondo mi omede rito chike ma kedo gi landruok mar midhusi mar corona.
We have taken on this initiative, which has been an ongoing initiative to help and work with the counties. We're working in partnership with Aga Khan Foundation and the European Union, where we have given away a whole bunch of equipment. This started during COVID because we realized that there was a need for PPEs, for test kits, for autoclaves. This equipment should go a long ways to better the lives of the people who live in and around the lake region.
Mwandu giduto okalo ceiling 2 billion. Giyudo microscopes ka, mingi yogutuo, giyudo cabinets biological cabinets, magi process go, gik magi kaka germs magi COVID go, to giyudo koda refrigerators, gi kombe, to gi mesni, mitimo go lecture. To effort giduto, mineno komiji kage, to gidhi konyogi kama gintie. To bro medre gi puonj. COVID poko rumo. To king'iyo malong'o to awacho niya, ni kata dok chien, to umed timo gik manonego utim, logo gi sabun, keeping your distance, ibed mabor gi nyawadu, to girwako masks.